Hello everyone, and welcome to another Art for Alzheimer's Care project video. Today we are going to be making some seasonal cookies out of paper and decorating them. So for this project you'll want to print off the free template of the cookies, and I'll put the link in the description for you. It's free to print them off. Once you've done that, grab some scissors and along with your loved one, start cutting out the different shapes. Once you've got your shapes cut out, grab a sheet of brown cardstock paper and glue the shapes onto the cardstock. So you'll see that I'm using the purple disappearing glue so that I can see where I've put the glue, and I'm also putting the glue onto the template that has the black outline on it, so that when we go to decorate the cookies you just don't see the black outline. It just makes it look a little bit neater. And once you've placed the templates onto the brown paper, you can cut them out again, this time just leaving a little bit of the brown edges showing so that they look like cookies. So to decorate them I am going to use markers, but of course you can use pencil crayons or watercolor paints, whatever your loved one gravitates towards. And then it's very simple, have fun and decorate your cookies. So there you have it, a fun little collection of paper cookies. If you want to, you can add a ribbon to these and tie them onto your Christmas tree, or put them onto the front of some Christmas cards. They're just cute to have around, and I hope that you enjoyed making this project with your loved one. If you know of anyone that would benefit from these videos, go ahead and share my content with them, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.